Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to access internet browser on PlayStation 5. Let's go. Press on the PlayStation button. Game base, messages. Open any dialog. Enter yahoo.com. Send a message and open the link. Now you can surf the internet. On PlayStation 5, this is the only way. That's it. Now you know how to access internet browser on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.